Alright, let's solve this interesting and popular math problem that is asking to find the area of the yellow rectangle. So we have the rectangle, a quarter of a circle, and a semicircle. We also know that this distance here is 4 meters. So to start solving the problem, let's name the radius of the semicircle R1 and the radius of the quarter of circle R2. We cannot say that these radius are equal because we don't have enough information to do so. So let's call R1 R2. So this distance here is R1. And the height of the rectangle here is R2. So the width of the rectangle is R1 plus R1 plus R2, and the height is R2. So we can calculate the area as the width times the height. So now let's sum R1 with R1 to obtain that the area is equal to 2R1 plus R2 times R2. So now let's make the multiplication to obtain that the area is R2 squared plus 2R1 R2. So this is the expression for the area. So now how do we proceed? Note that this line here is tangent to the semicircle, and this is a tangency point, meaning that the radius here, R1, form an angle of 90 degrees with the tangent line. Consequently, we have the right triangle with sides R1, 4 meters, and a hypotenuse of R1 plus R2. So applying the Pythagorean theorem, we obtain that R1 squared plus 4 squared is equal to R1 plus R2 all squared. Developing this expression, we obtain that R1 squared plus 16 is equal to the expansion of this square perfect, which is R1 squared plus 2R1 R2 plus R2 squared. So canceling the R1 squared on the right side with the 1 on the left side, we obtain that 16 is equal to 2R1 R2 plus R2 squared. So the right side of this equation is equal to the expression of the area. So consequently, the answer is area equals 16 meters squared. Interesting problems are appearing on the screen right now. Choose the one that best suits you. See you.